guys, welcome back to Rowan Wonders. Today I have another Kawaii box to unbox for you guys. So let's get straight on into the video. This one is Kawaii and Nico Inu. That's what it looks like. So don't really see anything yet. Okay, so first off, I see these candies right here. I don't really know what it is. I see honey and I see lemon. So I don't know if that's a great combination, but that's what I see. And then I have a plushie that also has lemons on it. It's a really cute little dog. Oh, it's cute. I see a Kawaii Nico purse, and it has little cats on it. And this is a keychain, so you can attach it to something. But as you can see, it opens like that, and you've got some space in there. That's really cute. I like that. I have a pen. Aww, it's a little puppy on an ice cream cone. And then we have carrot. I think these might be like glow-in-the-dark erasers or something like that. I don't really know what those are. But as you can see, they're like stars and hearts. So yeah. I think this is a lanyard type thing. And it says jelly beans on it. But I'm not quite sure what this is. So yeah, we'll look at what that is in a second because I don't really know. But that's what it looks like. And then we have this container that says Mermaid Gang on it. And it has earplugs in it. That's interesting. I don't know if they are earplugs, but they look like the earplugs. So yeah, but this container is super cute. And then we have some Chip and Dale stickers. Those are really cute. And we also have Fat Orange Cat notebook. And that's what we have. So maybe I can take a peek at the guide and see what some of this stuff is. So, oh, this is a bottle strap. So you can put a bottle in it and wear it on your shoulder like this, and then you put a bottle in here, and then you close it, and yeah, I guess that's what it is. That's what it says. And then these are candy carrot erasers. And yeah, the rest of the things I got right. So yeah, let's maybe try these candies. Now I'm a little bit nervous for these because it shows honey and lemons. Okay, it has a kind of funky smell. Okay, so that's what it looks like, a little like dog paw. So let's try it. It's very gooey. I don't really know how to explain it. It does taste like citrusy honey, honestly, but it's not really as bad as I thought it would be. It's like really gooey on the inside, as you can see. and sticky. It like actually tastes like citrusy honey. I like it. So, anyway, that was my Kawaii box. So I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!